everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Going back in time with our 1946 Chevy 3100 pickup truck. You don't really see too many of these anymore unless you're looking at a rust bucket in your brother's backyard or your sister's, maybe out in Alabama. But other than that though, this one we have here featuring a maroon and black exterior, almost like a deep cherry red. Other than that, it really has those old school wheels that definitely make it look cool. Moving on to the interior now, as it is a 3-speed manual on the floor. Not meant to go fast, but definitely to used to look good. They painted the dash and the steering wheel the exact same color as the exterior. As you can see, we actually have a working speedometer and gauges. That is very surprising. You never see that anymore. Working choke. And one of the coolest things about these old cars that I don't think a lot of young people would even know how to do is have the starter on the floor. Most of the time they'd be stirring the key, wondering what the heck is this, or looking for a little push button starting the dash because they're too special ed to see what's going on. But other than that though, underneath the hood feature, I want to say it is an inline 6. We do have the GM code on the website, so if you ever want to really look it up to see what it is, that'll be a good idea for you. Other than that, since we are coming at a stop, we can give you a little bit of a brake test. Brakes work fine. As you can see, the idle is still good. And other than that, she handles like a charm. Other than that though, we are just going to get turned around and up on the lift, so just stay tuned, see you underneath.